your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zone, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, Nvidia RTX 2060 12GB looks promising for crypto miners. Let me just share the screen. So the Nvidia RTX 2060 12GB looks promising for cryptocurrency miners. Not so great for gamers. Now, they have excellent hash rate, mining efficiency according to the launch day review. Nvidia has just released the RTX 2060 re-release card with a little more like the RTX 2060 Super, and comes with the 12GB VRAM to bolster its chances in 2021, though it's still some architecture we've come to know well since it first released back in 2018. Now, the only review circulating in the web for this new card suggests its hash rate will outperform RTX 3060. Now, the key thing to note here is that RTX 3060 has been fitted with measures to lower the hash rate for mining. The card detects a certain mining algorithms. It will operate at a limited speed. There is no such mining limiter on the RTX 2060 12GB according to PC Market's review. And that is meant that the card is capable of running up to 31.65 mH of mining hash per second in testing. Crucially, it puts ahead of the 3060 at 22.17 while demanding less power. That is in just one test. However, any further analysis would be handy. Unfortunately, we can't go as to find anyone with further hands-on experience for the card. So it could be quite adept in terms of mining, which doesn't feel anyone with a greatest confidence in its supply busting credentials. Now, the card, after all, was considered by many of a way of bolster supply of graphics cards during the shortage that we faced early this year. Now, the review also states that it falls behind the RTX 3060 in gaming. While it isn't surprising given the architecture performance, there's an increased pressure on the price of RTX 2060 12GB in order to be worthwhile or cheap enough for PC gamers. So get ready to jump in a game and play using the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 2060 with 12GB GDDR6. So that's all I have for this. You can comment in the section below what kind of graphics card you are looking or you are actually using for mining. Currently for me, I'm using the 3080. That's the Nvidia. So, and I can do up to about 100, close to 100 hashing power for one card. Now, in the next news, my crypto wallet collapses and leave behind Bitcoin traders stranded. Now, it's unclear at this point of time how much money has vanished for the users of the site. My crypto wallet is an Australian-based cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy and sell coins like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Has collapsed and left users without access to funds. According to multiple reports, the company called in the firm SV Partners on Friday to liquidate what remains of the exchange and deal with creditors, according to the Australian Financial Review. My crypto wallet was founded by a 28-year-old Jared Konings man in 2017, previously claimed to have 20,000 users, though it's unclear how many people may have actively had money in the exchange when it collapsed. It also is unclear how much money disappeared for the users and whether they'll ever see the money again, but let's just say it's not looking good. The cryptocurrency industry in Australia is largely unregulated, much like the United States, but if you take a look at my crypto wallet website, there is a curious claim made in the bottom right hand corner. A little emblem appears to read secure, regulated, insured. So those claims all appear to be lies, as best as the Gizmodo can tell. Now, the SV Partners plan to issue the first credit report on the company on December 17. we should provide more information of what's under the hood, according to the Australian ABC News. Many politicians in Australia has called the crypto industry to be regulated, but regulation would come too late for users of my crypto wallet. There are several signs of my crypto wallet that was not doing well over the past. Users was unable to access their Bitcoin, according to the report from the Sydney Morning Herald in April. Though it should be noted that as an extreme common complaint in the world of crypto, consumers who use Binance, for example, have filed complaints with the SEC several times, alleging that Binance allowed them to deposit money but not take out. Now, from the Sydney Morning Herald, back in April, Tony Walker, a 63-year-old investor who bought 1,500 worth of cryptocurrency on my crypto wallet over the last 4 years, said she wanted to withdraw her funds earlier this year when they had doubled, but was unable to access the exchange. I would welcome the chance to get back my funds, but I don't have a good feeling about it, she said. My crypto wallet did not respond to the request for comment early on Tuesday. Now, the price of Bitcoin have plunged in recent days, price dipping roughly over 45,000 over the weekend. The price has recovered a bit early on Tuesday, hovering around 51,000, but still quite ways from the recent all-time high of 68,000 in November 10. That's all I have today in the news. Back to you, Manish.
Wow. So, was it recovered the money, or it's just rug pull completely? It's
Not
hacked.
not hack, not rug pull. Maybe no liquidity. So it just
Right.
collapsed. They cannot pay all its users. Bitcoin is stuck there. Maybe you're right. Maybe it's rug pull. I think more news will be coming out on that.
Yeah.
That's why I think it's good to stick to top 10 exchanges, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So heading over to you, Manish.
So, guys, this is a DeFi week. I think a lot of details and a lot of informations to cover. The more I'm covering, the more we are going deep inside this decentralized. We have other hand is a C5, which is very straightforward. We create a exchange login, we do our KYC, and then start trading, start holding. But here in this decentralized, my God, what a possibility we have it. It's like we are our own bankers. We have so much freedom, but of course these are not regulated and have high risk involved. So today I'm going to cover about decentralized exchange, guys, where you can do a trading, next generation decentralized trading platform, which is Slingshot. So Slingshot is a next generation decentralized trading platform which aggregate the top liquidity source in order to give traders like you the best price, speed, execution on a trade. Later we'll show you the app platform, how it looks like. But let's go through some of the details of Slingshot. In late February, Slingshot launched its closed beta with a unique way for a users earn their invite. The first 100 players to complete the race and sci-fi themed browser game won access to the beta and NFT prize for having the best speed runtime. So they are also into a NFT space, and they have a browser where you can directly play games and earn cryptos. So you can try it yourself because Slingshot is live on Polygon. Polygon is a native token, and you can play and buy NFTs. But later today, I'm going to show you the platform of trading, which is on a decentralized platform. Okay. So let's move on to our trading platform here. It's the Slingshot. This is how the applications looks like when you come here, and you have Matic as a native token here on the top bar. All the DeFi space tokens, how it's performing, all those information will be displaying you in a marquee queue. And in the right hand side, you have their social media buttons where you can just connect and just you are part of the community and start asking the questions if you have a doubt. One interesting feature which I see, when you sign into the chat by using your MetaMask, you'll be able to communicate with the global chat, the guys or the traders who is trading in these platforms, you will have a whole range of connectivity. There is one whole community down here where you can live chat with the guys who are online. Okay. On top of it, they have a very nice trading view. By using this, you can create Fibonacci's, Bollinger, and you can do further analysis, further technical analysis using this chart. Looking at the market space, when you click on the next tab is called market, and this market as of now, see they have there are 3 4 options down here. Ethereum, you can use your native token as Ethereum, you can use it as Matic, you can use it as Bitcoin. So whichever is your native token you are holding in your wallet, using that you'll be able to trade. You can also trade daily, you can hold it here, and you can sell it based on your preference. Looking at the market side of thing, you can see here down here all the decentralized tokens you will be able to see. Not much. They are not having a huge range, but all the established and well-known tokens are listed down here for your tradings. So is something that, okay, you do not have access to exchange, or your KYC is not getting completed, or you, for certain reason, your applications are blocked in your country and you want to freehand with the DeFi space and you want to do a trading. This is one options which you can play with. You can click on the connect wallet. You'll be able to connect your various wallet like a MetaMask, Binance wallet. Then you have what's that, Trust wallet. Yeah, I forget the name. Then you can also connect your hardware wallet if you want to trade it here. So many users try to they are exploring this DeFi space and doing their trading, staking, lending, borrowing. There are multiple features they are providing it. And these days there is one earning passive income earning method is there, the creating a nodes, which we have also covered I think last time, and probably with some how to's will be coming up soon for the DeFi nodes, how we can create the DeFi nodes and you can have your passive earning daily basis. So yeah, you can also, they have given one options called, you can create your own native tokens to trade with, and you can use USDT, you can use DAI. Select this and it will be paired with your favorite token. Now it's paired with DAI and I can trade using DAI. If I want a USDT, I can select USDT, and then my all trading will be paired with USDT, and in this open space I'll be able to do a trade. So I hope this is useful for you guys, and I'm moving to the next section. I'll hand over to Wayne. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks Manish for sharing this. So let's talk a bit about the markets. We are slowly picking up from extreme fear. Now we are slowly getting back confidence. But unfortunately, also on the US stock market, with slight dip in terms of the VIX index, this measures the fear. Seems like the Omicron situation has maybe died, the Evergrande, as well as the tapering from the federal government. Not federal government, the Feds, right? Talking about tapering and trying to investigate the stable coins. So all that has slowly dipped down a bit and confidence has restored. However, there's a mixed bag today on the crypto space. We still have 15,000 cryptos, 400 over exchanges. $2.3 trillion are still dipping. We are not coming back to the 3 trillion yet. Bitcoin, of course, and Ethereum takes about close to 60-70% of the total share. Top 3 coins: Pets, Mars Rise, and GF Loki or G Floki. So last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down by 2.35, Ethereum up by 0.33, BNB up by 0.46, Solana down by 4.61, Cardano 3.88, XRP up by 1.29, Polkadot down by 0.87, and Terra Luna down by 0.62. So of course, price prediction still remains the same. Bitcoin 98,000 to 250,000, Ethereum 10 to 15,000, BNB 1,000, Solana 200 to 350, Cardano 3 to 5, XRP $20, and Luna 105. and Polkadot 85 to 120. Of course, Doge and AVAX and Shiba has actually moved out from the top 10. Doge, of course, we're still expecting a
I don't know,
dollar.
Dodge, what happened. I think
Yeah, I mean,
he's
Elon
out of
Musk has
the
been
race or what.
busy with his stuff. So, so anyways, also on Shiba, I think 400 billion, if I'm not mistaken, 400 million actually was wiped out from Shiba in the last couple of days. So, for those who actually had the run when you were making money on Shiba, now you most likely, if you check a portfolio, it will be at a loss.
Yeah.
Let's see over the stock market. The crypto market. We have about 2.3 trillion. So you can see now currently with the uptrend after the last market correction that we had, and or partial fear, right? There's all this mixture. So we are slowly climbing back up. Of course, Bitcoin right now hovers at 50,000. We still have great support roughly at about the 45,000, and we have to break above that 50,000, 54, 57, and then we can go for 60,000. So there's a long way more. That will be easily around a few. We'll be looking at about a 30% jump for Bitcoin to actually break that before we go for the next run up, which is a lot of sellers at the 69 to 70,000 for Bitcoin. So again, we are, because of the mining situation that we had, where China has banned in recent times again, we are looking at most likely an extended bull run till March. Okay, so let's see whether that will continue, and we're still keeping eye on the 31st of December, because that's where will be one of the biggest fights between the bulls and the bears. So let's see whether if the bears wins, we go into winter. If the bulls win, we get a nice extension on the the next few months. So with that, that's all I have, guys. Do subscribe to the channel if you're new to this channel. We cover a lot of things that you can make money. Today's talk was about mining. Manish has covered a lot of the how-to mining, so do check that out. And we have tokenomics. We have done some interviews and much more. Do join also our Telegram group. So until then, we'll see you tomorrow, same time.
Till then, take care. Bye bye, and see you tomorrow.
See you guys. Take care.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest.